Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix NVIDIA G-SYNC flickering, stuttering or lagging. Let's fix it guys. Method 1, you just need to open up G for the experience and select the gear icon over here, and if you turned on the in-game overlay, you just need to turn it off. This problem could also be any other overlay like screen recording software or something similar to that. So turn it off. After that you can check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the method 2 guys. Method 2, you just need to go to search menu and type NVIDIA Control Panel, click on open it. On left side under 3D settings, select manage 3D settings. In this list, you just need to find a vertical sync. Just double click on it. Click on this drop down and select this to on position. And now the vertical sync is turned on. Now select apply for save changes. After saving it, now you can check if the problem solved or not. If this still not working after this second method, then you need to open the game and go to graphics settings and turn on V-Sync in your game. This should fix your problem guys. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.